Let's talk about ebook retailers and distributors because both of them are very important to you. Retailers are going to sell your ebook directly. Distributors are going to distribute your ebook to retailers. Now, there are many choices and strategies as to how to go about this, and it really helps to have some knowledge before making decisions. Here's a list of retailers where you can directly upload your ebook. And this is not a complete list, but these are the main players. I've got Apple with an asterisk because you actually have to be a Mac user and you also have to apply. No other retailer asks you to apply to them. Now, the benefit of directly uploading to these retailers is that you'll get the best royalties and you'll have the most control over your project, especially when it comes to things like price changes or if you want to make updates or change your keywords. It's really easy when you can do it directly at the retailer. For example, this is KDP Amazon, and this is the way that you sell ebooks at Amazon. I'm just going to sign in. And once you've signed in, you can either add a new title or you can peruse your existing titles. And this is where you would either make changes to one of your books or to create a new book altogether. We're going to go into this in great detail later. I just want to point this out for now. While Amazon is a retailer, there are also distributors, both free and paid. Smashwords and Draft2Digital are both free distributors. Smashwords actually is also a retailer, but most of its business for you will be from the distribution partners that it has that will sell your book. Now, there are also the paid distributors, and that's usually where you're going to pay up front, and there are a range of services and prices. BookBaby, for example, is one of the more common choices. The benefits of distributors is that they can really simplify your life, especially if you have multiple titles. You can also get your book listed at more retailers, some of which don't allow for direct uploading, so the only way to get into them is by using a distributor. Now, you will either pay upfront, especially for the paid distributors, or for the free ones, they'll often take a 10% retail price cut off of any sale that you make. And this distributor is Smashwords, which also happens to be a retailer, though most of their business is in distribution. And if you click on the FAQ link, and then if you scroll down, you'll find here the number of stores that they distribute to. And Smashwords is really terrific because they distribute to a lot of places. They've been doing it a long time, and the list keeps growing of the number of stores that they can get your book into. Now, Smashwords isn't the only choice, and we're going to discuss these in more detail later. BookBaby is one example of a paid retailer that works like Smashwords, but they have a range of services and prices. For more information on their pricing, you can just click on the Pricing tab. And then you can scroll through a range of services and prices. Ebook authors often do the $2.99 self-publishing package, but everyone has different preferences, and we're going to talk about common strategies in the next chapter.